Unlock the secrets of market history and become a charting pro by mastering the art of navigating back in time on Tradingview. First up, the trusty scroll wheel. Simply hover your mouse over the chart area and scroll backward to smoothly rewind through price history. Each scroll increment allows you to go back in the chart. For precise navigation, tap into keyboard shortcuts. The left and right arrow keys will move the chart one bar at a time, forward or backward, providing detailed insight into specific price movements. Need to jump to a specific date? Click on the date range selector at the bottom of the chart. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to pinpoint a precise start and end date for your analysis. Select your desired date range. Alternatively, you can use the Go to button located on the right side. Type in the desired date and hit enter to view this specific period in the chart. Don't forget to adjust your time frame. Zooming out to a higher time frame, like daily or weekly, lets you see the big picture, while lower time frames offer a granular view of price action within a specific period. Now that you're a time-traveling Tradingview wizard, go forth, analyze past patterns, and refine your trading strategies with confidence. Remember that practice makes perfect.